If you are searching for the best jumper cable, these videos for you. We have investigate some jumper cables and brought to you top 5. Let's go. Number 1. Energizer jumper cable. These 1-gauge heavy-duty cables are great if you're looking for a product with higher insulation. Capable of transmitting power up to 800 A, these jumper cables will make quick work of jumping any dead battery. The clamps are manufactured with PVC material to provide safety from shocks, while its 25-foot length makes it one of the longest cables on our list. Number 2. Cartman Booster Cable 4-gauge X20 FT. When your car or truck needs a boost, the Cartman Extra Heavy-Duty Booster Cables are the safest way to transfer power from a 12-24-volt automobile battery. The easy-to-use, no-tangle cables have T-preen coating for flexibility and easy storage. They feature special clamps with triple polarity identification that is color-coded, and UL indent stamped. Number 3. Amazon Basics Jumper Cable. This 10-gauge copper-clad aluminum, CCA, jumper cables for jump starting a dead or weak battery, UL certified, ideal for small/compact cars. Heavy-duty, tight-grip alligator clamps with a 110 amp rating, strong spring and comfortable handle for easy positioning. Red/black insulated exterior ensures quick visual identification for easy setup. Number 4. EpAuto 4-gauge X24 jumper cables. If you're looking for reliability on a budget, consider EpAuto's heavy-duty booster jumper cable. Manufactured with a rubber material that ensures flexibility, these cables are covered in a dual-coated material that doesn't melt when transmitting power from 12-24 volts. Sturdy clamps made from a copper-plated material to safeguard against shock. Number 5. Iron Forge Tools 20-foot jumper cables. These 4-gauge jumper cables with some of the most impressive clamps you'll see in this product category. These high-quality clamps ensure a safe and secure connection to the battery terminals, and they're color-coded red and black for easy identification. These jumper cables do measure 20 feet long, so they provide some extra length when necessary. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.